Hello, hello. This is Forrest in Sevierville with Docks and Decks. Doing another deck restore here. Placing the deck boards on this smaller gangway down here. I'll walk down there and show you in a minute. We're not replacing most of the boards actually. They just wanted us to patch it up. This is all a metal dock, so it makes it a lot harder. I have to have self-tapping screws, which means pre-drilling, countersinking, etc., etc. But looks a lot better now. Still needs a ton of work. Somebody put a ton of work in this first. I really like the way they did the top of this. That's cool. I said I really like the way they did the top of this.
Yeah.
With the steel. Still a long way to go. Good luck with yours.